That's Gakuto. Actually originally from Okinawa, but he's one of the richest people in Japan from my understanding, or at least he's really wealthy. Some more Japanese advertisements. They're very over exaggerated expressions. See, this is what I'm talking about with Japanese grocery stores. They have so much good food. If you like sushi, it's only like $4, $5 for that. This is only $2, 200 yen. It's less than $2. And they have that one too. It's amazing here. And they have all these salads, noodles, and pastas, and ramens. And they always have advertisements going on. Here's pizzas you can get. A lot of bentos here too. Here's deep fried chicken. I don't remember who it was, but I actually have a viewer that spent some time in France. I think they lived in France, as well as some other parts of Europe for years. And they came to Japan and they were surprised because Japanese pastries, at least in her opinion, are better than the ones in Europe that she had. By the way, guys, if you don't know, hello, my name is Matt. If you love Japan, if you love Okinawa, go ahead and subscribe down below because I come out with a video every other day. Really, I'm just walking around a Japanese grocery store here in Okinawa. It's a Aeon, and it's a very popular, like a mall or a store chain all around Asia, but it is from Japan. One thing I learned about a Japanese Halloween is that really all it is the stores celebrating Halloween or selling Halloween themed thing. They don't do trick-or-treating, they don't dress up or anything as far as I know. It's getting more and more popular, but for the most part, as of right now, it's really just the retail stores capitalizing on the trend of Halloween and selling the spooky Halloween themed stuff. That being said, I think the stores here in Japan actually sell cooler Halloween stuff than I've seen lately in America. We've teleported to the fish market. This is the one, I did a video on it a while back. You can see it up here, or I don't know where it goes. This is one of, well, it's close to our house, but it's a great fish market, and the fish here is always super fresh. So fresh, in fact, that I think every day they catch it that morning, and then all the fish that's in here is pretty much from this morning. Maybe not everything, but you know, most of it is.
Temaki.
Temaki?
Temaki.
Temaki?
Yep.